Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we are driving the new Skoda Rapid. It's an automatic transmission vehicle. Let's check it out. Well, you have observed a short list, basically a short video of how the Rapid is. Quickly get into the engine bay. Well, that's a 1 liter petrol engine which produces, it's the same like Volkswagen, which produces 110 horsepower and 175 Newton meters of torque. Well, coming to the grill, this grill looks pretty much nice. You don't get a gloss black treatment, but you get a sort of grey finish to it, and the crown surrounds add a nice touch to this vehicle. The front bumper and the skid plate basically gives a sportier look to this vehicle. Nothing much to talk about the front, lots of cuts and creases on this vehicle. Well, talking about the front windshield, you don't get any rain sensing vapors like such. It's saying experience more power and efficiency, because Skoda has been a great car in giving a better performance car with a better mileage and stuff like that. Now at the rear, it's a Ambition version which we are driving today. Over there you get a towing hook. This car doesn't get a parking camera. Well, rest all the design feels the same, except for the rear skid plate gets a diffuser treatment. But for the top variant, which is the High Plus, we get a sort of black cladding to protect the car from from paint resistance and stuff like that. Now boot happens to be same. That's a strut bar to hold the vehicle in place when you're driving fast. Well, the spare tire is beneath it, which is a space saver tire. Obviously MRF tires have been given. Well, the tire size, okay, a bit of a task. Okay, it's tough. Okay, I probably guess it will be 175, 65 and R14 wheels. These rims on this vehicle are 15-inch wheels. You get a sort of hump on this body, which means that the power has been given to the tires. Well, now doors open pretty much large and wide. Seats gets a dual tone of treatment. You get a center armrest too, but you don't get any sort of cup holders. You get two adjustable headrests. Over here you get a bottle holder along with an rear AC vent. Now quickly get into the driver's seat. Of course you don't get passive entry. I have kept the vehicle on. Well, getting into the cabin, doors closed with a proper third. This is the steering wheel of the vehicle. It feels pretty much nice. You get leather treatment for it too. Well, the Skoda logo. These are the controls to browse through that infotainment system. It's a 6.5 unit. But now for the BS6, for the Highland Plus variant, or basically the top model, you get a 8-inch touchscreen which also supports Android, and you can play YouTube, browse through internet and stuff like that. This is a 6-speed torque converter gearbox with very quick shifts. So well, without any delay, let's get driving, because this car is so much to drive rather than to talk. Before driving, urge everyone to fasten your seatbelts, check for all the doors to be locked. Safety is a must, please don't try to imitate. Now let's get driving. Now getting into the drive mode. Well, the crawl is sticking around 10 kilometers in this vehicle, which is pretty much nice. It doesn't have that bumpiness as expected. Well, now once we are on the throttle, it's upshifting very clean, very crisp and very nice. That's what I like about the Skoda shiftings. Well, I'll quickly do a walk, basically a rapid walk. Well, let me just show you something. Well, into neutral. So we'll be unlocking the door before itself. Now into the drive mode. So you just take care, nothing is happening. Okay, so once it is done, well, I'm getting out of the vehicle. Well, easily you can do a Skoda whack, which is pretty much nice because the crawl is very well contained, which is pretty much nice in this vehicle. Now getting in, fastening up my seat belt and on the throttle. And this shift is pretty much nice, which I like about Skoda. Well, the same mistake I do once I have shifted from German cars to normal makers. The drive experience from this vehicle is pretty much clean. It's enthusiast as I expect from a Skoda vehicle, and the Rapid is given a very big thumbs up for making such a beautiful torque converter gearbox in giving very quick shifts in very less time, and we are already into the 6th gear and I don't feel any hesitation from this 1 liter petrol engine. I'm getting speed warnings and seatbelt warnings too. Well, on the throttle it downshifts very quick. From the 6th gear it has already shifted into D3, which is a 3rd gear, and no resistance on offer from this vehicle. This is so much fun. As soon as you are on the throttle, it just pulls until you get a smile on your face. And the road from this engine doesn't feel that hard into the cabin because the cabin feels so solid and so nice also. Well, so we'll be doing a quick top speed too probably, but I don't suggest anyone to drive into to do a top speed in drive mode. So what we'll do is we'll shift into a sport mode, and we won't be putting into manual, but still what we'll do is we'll be shifting into sport mode and then we'll be checking the top speed. So we are on the sport mode. See, as soon as you are on the sport mode, you can feel that kind of pullingness from this engine, and the shifts are pretty much clean. We are almost into 120 km per liter. 120 km per hour, and the motor loves to be pulled. There is no resistance from this engine because it's such a beautiful motor. We are already into 130 km per hour, and I don't at all feel like this vehicle has a low power and low powertrain to it. The torque converter makes it so easy for the shifts, which feels so nice to drive. And yes, on the throttle, downshifting and revving the nuts out of the motor, it feels so good to drive. It's so comfortable. Steering feels pretty much nice to hold, and the brakes are so solid, so crisp. As soon as you're on the brake, it just does that. Well, that's the new Mahindra Thar. We have already reviewed it. I'll be attaching that clip at this icon. Please check it at that video too. Well, downshifting, and there we go. So we'll be taking a quick U-turn and we'll be checking the speed again too, but this time I'll be doing in the drive mode, just to check how quick the acceleration is probably getting or how much enthusiast the vehicle is pulling in the drive mode. So well, into the drive mode. Into the 2nd gear, it's almost making 80 km per hour, which is pretty much nice. It feels so good to use this vehicle. Well, if you are an automatic lover and you want to drive very good car and a very decent shifting car basically to enjoy your time with your family or something, I definitely suggest you to take this Skoda Rapid, because Skoda has very economical when compared to Volkswagen Group, its partner group, but still the drive experience from both the vehicles is pretty much the same. The only thing is that the gear shifting in this vehicle is pretty much nice, which I feel very comfortable to drive. I don't feel any amount of stress or any amount of, what we can probably say, the difficultiness in driving this vehicle. This is so much fun to drive. It's so good to drive. You can easily maneuver the vehicle. It's comfortable to drive, and the steering offers great amount of feedback from this road, and this vehicle has got so much power in it. Okay guys, we'll be doing a quick top speed again too. I'll be back with another vlog. Take care. See you soon. Bye.